Put a word of warfare into my soul, like a fire, like a burning arrow. Let it enter there. Pour like a weapon. That's how to go to war.
Bulldozer, run, come here. A new equipment, a new clearance, a new whip. Lift up your hands. There is
let your voice break it us. Weapons of mass destruction, intercontinental in power. When you appear in the spirit, let the enemy begin to roar. New angelic backing. Let the princes of power and war, let them come with you. Brutal. Where is Victor? Come here, come here. I empower you. Listen to me. There is a warrior mode. There is a warrior dimension. Bring him here, bring him here. Let your visage in the spirit become that immersed and light, energy and power. Let your presence transmit such a fear and dread upon the enemy. Let your appearance become like that of the angels of war. Let there be an allocation of a warrior angel